Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me. I figured it out. So this is the Stanley STHT10479 retractable utility knife made in US of A. So I did figure it out. So you have your advancing to full locking, your different locking notches along the way, different amounts. Okay, all the way to retract, so you can put this in your pocket. Excuse me. It has two interesting features. It has this little yellow button underneath, which it's kind of tricky, but you have to pull it back, which releases the lock on this top grip, which when you open it is a compartment for spare blades. There's 2 spare blades in there. It came with 3 blades. And another interesting thing is when you have it fully extended, and you see that black button, you press that black button and you can remove your blade and install, either reverse it to the sharp side and install it back in, and Bob's your uncle, you are back in business. So that is a pretty neat innovation. No screwdrivers needed. Blades are in your handle, up to 10 of them, and 1 in there, so you're 11. You can carry 11 shots that are double-edged, so that's 22 points you can break. That's a pretty neat knife. Once again, thank you to Stanley Black & Decker. Head out to your shop. Go check on your stuff. Walter out.